Take out the machine and its accessories. Remove the cap at the suction hole, and you can see there's a white rubber seal. There will be no suction if damages are found there, or the rubber seal has not been put in place. Check the rubber seal on a regular basis and replace it when necessary. You can also see there's a piece of felt cotton, which should be replaced weekly with a large one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber seals and 2 large rubber seals on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it's not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Connect the power cord to the machine. After checking all are connected properly, press power switch to get the machine started. To check whether there's suction, choose mode 1. Turn the knob for adjusting suction level to the maximum and put finger on the suction hole. If you can feel the sensation of suction, the machine can work properly. When you are using the finger-shaped cup, insert one end of the white hose into the suction hole and the other end to the tail end of the cup. There are 3 finger-shaped cups. The large one is suitable for a big-sized area, the medium one is suitable for arms and legs, and the small one is suitable for small-sized area like face and neck. Set parameters. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. Adjust the vacuum. Suction time range is S1 to S6, S2 to S5 is recommended. Release time range is R1 to R6, R1 to R3 is recommended. Please note, suction time should be always longer than release time during treatment. When mode 1 is chosen, the cups work on the constant suction mode. There's a total of 9 working modes. Mode 1 is constant suction mode, and the rest are suction and release modes. Choose proper working mode according to individual needs. Apply massage cream or essential oil evenly to the target area before treatment. Adjust the suction level based on individual endurance. Turning the knob clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. To prevent discomfort, it is recommended that you should set the suction at a relatively low level if you're using it for the first time. There are 12 pairs of vacuum cups, 3 pairs of body cups, 3 pairs of facial cups, 2 pairs of cleaning cups, 1 pair of cups for private parts, and 3 pairs of breast augmentation cups. Choose proper cups according to individual skin situation and the size of target area. When you are using the vacuum cups, insert the Y-shaped end of the hose into the 2 cups and the other end to the suction hole. In the vacuum cup treatment, the 2 cups should be in full contact with skin at the same time to guarantee their suction. Otherwise, the cups cannot be used properly. Essential oil can be used in this treatment. If there's only 1 vacuum cup needed, you just have to tie a knot at one ridge of the Y-shaped end of the hose to ensure airtight environment. When using the breast augmentation cups, insert the Y-shaped end of the small hose into the 2 cups and the other end to the suction hole. The way to use the breast augmentation cups is the same as the vacuum cups. Essential oil or related skincare products can be used in this treatment. Choose proper breast augmentation cups according to the size of breasts. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize the cups for the next time use.